Damn. This is what happens in Mozambique. Crazy ass fucking thunderstorm. Look at that thing. Holy crap. Damn. Damn. Oh! I was right in front of us. Damn, it's messing up my camera every time it hits. It's crazy. Gnarly. Damn. Whoa. I was right above our head. Look at this thing. It's going. Whoa! Whoa! Wow. Everywhere. Whoa! It's going off out here. Damn. Somebody's mad up there. Oh. Oh. That is crazy. Oh! Whoa! That was huge. This is gonna be crazy. This is gonna be on YouTube. This is nuts. Oh! Crap. Whoa! Holy crap. That was forever. Dang. Oh, it seems like it's right above my head. Ow, fuck. Whoa! Whoa, dude, that was right here. Dude, that was right here. Holy crap, it's going right there. Whoa! Oh, that's crazy! It's right above our heads! Whoa! Wow! Whoa! Whoa! That's straight to that tree! Dude, that was close. You seen how close that was? That is super close. I swear that was like, what is that, 100 yards away from us right now. It's crazy up here. Just crazy. It's coming from that side too. Look at this thing. This thing is huge. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Whoa! Whoa! Wow! That thing is fat. Look at this, I got four minutes of video already. Oh! Whoa! Look at this. Oh my God. We are right next to a big, huge metal tower. It's right here. I don't think you can see it, but it's right there. Look at that thing. Look, see? There we go. There it is. That's a giant metal tower. It's acting like a lightning rod right now. It's crazy.
Dude, there's this little fucking antenna thing right here, right over our head.
Look, there's a little antenna thing right in front of us too. If that thing gets zapped, I'm running out of this thing. This ain't the smartest idea either because the floor is all wet. It's If it hits the floor over here, I think it's gonna be a good idea for us. Whoa! Holy shit! Holy crap! It just hit right in front of us. It just hit right in front of us. That's the craziest thing I've ever seen in my life.